In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw curved arrows in Achieve. So we're looking at this structure, the CH3N double bond C double bond O, and we're going to add some curved arrows to it. The curved arrows are located in the More tab. There are two different types of curved arrows. One of them is like a regular arrowhead, and that's what you're going to use 99% of the time. The other with a half arrowhead, you're only going to use that when you're learning about radicals. If you're not learning about radicals, stay away from that particular curved arrow. So here's the curved arrow that we want to use most of the time, and what you're going to do is place your curved arrow on the molecule, or you could actually just place it anywhere in the drawing box, but it's easier if you place the curved arrow where you would like it to start. So that would mean placing the curved arrow on a bond or placing the curved arrow on a lone pair. I'm going to place my curved arrow on the lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen. So to do that, I'm going to just click on the nitrogen atom, and that's going to position that lone pair position the curved arrow on the lone pair. Now notice that the curved arrow is pink and there's like a dot at the end of it. That just means that the curved arrow is not done. It's not been completely positioned in Achieve. So what we're going to do is take the other end of the arrow, the pointy end, and we're just going to relocate it. We have the ability to move it like pretty much anywhere we want. We're going to relocate it to wherever we would like those electrons to go. We can position it to a bond, and if you can tell, it just sort of like once you get close to that bond, it just kind of snaps itself into place and it changes to gray. Or we can point it at an atom, and Achieve is going to let you like really screw this up. You know, you can put these curved arrows anywhere you want, whether they're right or not. The curved arrow is not considered fully drawn in this software until it has turned gray. When it's gray, then it's locked into place. And notice that I can still edit it. I can still move it around if I don't like where it went. You can also edit both ends. So even though I'm only editing the business end of the arrow, you could also reposition the other end of the arrow as well. I have really moved this arrow around quite a bit. So you do have a lot of flexibility, in terms of what you would like to do with these arrows. And if you decide that the curved arrow has gotten a little bit too crazy and you just want to start over, you can erase and start over.